Is it all over for Dogecoin or is it just getting started? We're going to break down Dogecoin today. Before we do that, though, we got to look at Bitcoin because this is very important with what's happening right now. You could see we've had weekly candle closes. Let me actually zoom out a little bit because Dogecoin follows Bitcoin perfectly. And you could see we had very strong resistance at these two yellow lines right here. But about 2 weeks ago, we closed a big green candle, okay, right above these two lines. And then we had another candle close above it with a huge wick down, okay. So this was a massive fake out last week for Bitcoin. It touched lows of 65, 66,000, but we closed above both yellow trend lines, okay. Very good sign. But now look at this weekly candle, absolutely insane. Look at this wick right here. This is a lot of fear. So why is this happening right now? Well, guys, in my honest opinion, and this is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I truly believe is this is due to elections. Okay. Because in about 2.5 days, 3 days, the next president will be announced for the United States. So is it going to be Trump? Is it going to be Kamala? Well, you can let me know down below, leave a comment of really what does your gut tell you? And based off who's president, what do you think is going to happen to Bitcoin? This is a positive sign that we've had two weekly candle closes above this very strong resistance. You can see we rejected every single time we touched this zone. This is another positive sign that we've had a MACD cross bullish. Every time this happens, we tend to rally for multiple months. Okay. You can see over here a MACD cross way down here. I can pull this up for you. Here we go. MACD cross back in October 2023. We rallied for months before a pullback. We had another MACD cross right here. We rallied for about a month to 2 months. And then we've been in this downtrend since then. Another thing you want to note is all the years of elections in 2012, 2016, 2020, Bitcoin has rallied for multiple months, a minimum of 4 months after elections. Okay. So does it really matter who wins the presidential elections when looking at cryptocurrency in the short term? My opinion is no. I still think we'll rally much higher for Bitcoin and some of your favorite altcoins. You want to make sure you're buying the right ones. And by the way, before we get into Dogecoin, make sure you sign up for Caleb and Brown. The link is down below because they're going to be navigating you through what are the strong cryptos that you should be holding today, depending on your portfolio size. They give you 24/7 customer support, no matter where you're located, what country, what time zone you're in. You have someone that you're able to talk to ask questions. Okay. No joining fees. You can click my link down below. It's completely free. Make sure you do your KYC verification where you upload your driver's license so you actually get access to your broker. Okay. You want someone like this on your side, guys, especially if you're buying, if you're trading crypto. They also have different coins that Coinbase does not offer. So if you're into meme coins, Caleb and Brown has those meme coins that you're looking for. Okay, so make sure you get that set up today if you can. Now, going back to Bitcoin, this is where it's at right now. Everything looks bullish. Now, we also have a stochastic that's very high, and we can definitely curl over. We've done it before. If we look back in time to right here, we see that at the same point when we were over here, we still pumped for weeks. Okay, so with us right at the middle Keltner line, like we were back here, you can see right here. Middle Keltner line, we're right above it. Let me zoom in for you. I'm thinking this is a massive fake out. And this is expected because of elections. There's a lot of fear out there of who's going to win the election, who's going to become president. And get this, guys, we did not make an all-time high. We actually closed right below it. So it's just a mess. But I have to look at the big picture. And with this MACD cross right here and what history has told us, and with elections, literally in a couple of days, and what history has shown us with that with crypto, I have to believe that crypto will move much higher, at least for the rest of 2024. Now, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me if you want to know where I stand by the end of 2024, because I'm going to give you updates every single day in regards to crypto. Now, as we finish this video and we look at Dogecoin, I did let the Patreon know this morning of certain buy levels. There were 3 buy levels that I will be adding more to my Dogecoin position. Now, I've been studying this for years, to be honest with you, with Dogecoin. I've broken down Fibonacci. I've broken down RSI stochastic for you guys. we've called pretty much every move on Dogecoin, which is I'm really grateful for. And I've been able to add a lot more Doge to my portfolio. But what's going to happen next? Well, if you just want to look at strong support, you can look at these yellow lines right here. Let's say we crash down today. We could go as low as 12 cents. The question is, would you buy if this happened? Now, this is going to be very strong support. I don't think that's necessarily going to happen. I think we could definitely move lower since we're testing the 21 EMA right now. Every time we test this after a pump, you can see what happens. We tend to break down a little bit. Right here, we actually held it. So today will tell a lot if we can hold the 21 EMA. We're also at a Fibonacci level, the 382 level, which is going to also act as support in a way, plus the 21 EMA. So the question is, are you adding here? Let me know down below. Now, if we break this on a daily candle close, don't be surprised to go lower. We've seen what happens before, right? We go lower. We break it, we go lower, okay? Even if we go up here after a massive rally, like what we just had with Dogecoin, break it, we go lower. We come up here, we break it, we go a little lower. We pump, we break it, and now we go even lower. Now, this is obviously the downtrend. I think we're starting the uptrend, which is a good sign. You can see this is obviously an uptrend. You can see this is obviously a downtrend. I do feel Dogecoin has bottomed, which is absolutely amazing. Also, we called this, just want to let you guys know at 8.4 that I made a post saying this is a buy of a lifetime on the Patreon. I'm just spot on with Dogecoin. Like, I'm very locked in with this crypto. I think it's going to go much higher. This does not concern me right now. Again, this is just my own opinion. Do what you must. Do what's best for you guys at the end of the day. You can agree with me. You can disagree. It doesn't really matter. My goal is really just to help you understand how stocks and crypto moves. Okay. So with this, it's another buying opportunity if you believe in Dogecoin in the long run. My next sell target, I'll just share with all of you, for me personally, is anywhere from 30 to 32 cents. Okay. So it's going to be about a double from where we're at right now. Now, I'll be praying for our country. If you're in the United States, seeing what happens in the next couple of days, I think it's going to get really crazy, depending who wins. Okay. So definitely, if you haven't voted yet, I would say go vote. Go with what your heart is telling you to do. Think about yourself, think about your kids, think about people you love, and vote for the right person. With that, guys, I hope you have a great day. Enjoy the Sunday. We'll absolutely see you on the next one.